This $65 that I spent can possibly make me anywhere from $200 to $500 a day. So if you want to see what I got off of Amazon, stay tuned. That's what this video is about. I'm going to break it all down, show you what they all are and what they do. Alright, let's get it.
In these streets to prove shit, make these hoes remember my city. Call me Face and See, I call my city Denver.
So I know you see the title in the description. Well, I got to break down this little story to tell you why the title is what it is and why I started a new side hustle. So the other day, me and my bro took our cars out to go get washed. So we took them to the car wash, you know what I'm saying? And then we brought them back to the house and we started doing some deep cleaning, you know what I'm saying? And, you know, I guess caught somebody's attention on Snapchat because I got a message asking me this. So right then, I was like, shit. Thought she wanted to buy a car, but she wanted to know how much it is to detail it. So I told her I'd get back with her in a minute, you know what I'm saying? I got back with her, gave her some estimates, and from there, I'm like, shit, I don't got everything I need to do no detailing. So then a light popped in my head right here. Amazon. Hit up Amazon, ordered 5 different things that I needed to do some deep cleaning on some cars. And this $65 that I spent can possibly make me anywhere from $200 to $500 a day. So if you want to see what I got off of Amazon, stay tuned. That's what this video is about. I'm going to break it all down, show you what they all are and what they do. Alright, let's get it. Alright, let's see what we got in this box for my new side hustle. Okay, we got drill brush attachment set. Hot out. We got that. We got the brushes that get all in the cracks and crevices. You know what I'm saying? What else we got here? We got the hose. I only see a hose though. Should be another attachment. Hold on. Let's see what this is all about. Don't tell me, nah, these gotta go back. These are supposed to be big enough to fit a hose like that. I don't know, we'll see. I don't think it's gonna work though. That's supposed to be a little hose attachment. Now this, alright. This is the water extractor. So you take your wet dry back and you know, when you're doing shampoos or whatever, take this. So that's a little clear. You know what I'm saying? You got your hose, then you got your 2 different attachments that attach to your wet dry back. We got that. I guess that goes with this right here, the Power Max. I don't know if these is going to fit on my I don't know if I don't know if they're gonna fit. These are supposed to be big attachments for my wet dry back. That's all? Hold on. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. But I don't think they gave me the rights. I don't know. Hold on. Anyway, so this right here is supposed to have 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. See? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, we might have to be sending some stuff back, especially if it don't fit what I got it for. But anyway, this is the start of my new detail side hustle. Detailing cars. You know, doing shampoos, washes, and you know what I'm saying, cleaning and all that. You know what I'm saying? People they need services like this. Somebody hit me on Snapchat When we was cleaning our cars outside, and she was like, how much you charge for a Jeep Cherokee? From that day forward, I said, look like I'm in a detailing business, cause I sure gave her an estimate. You know what I'm saying? Why not? You know? It's definitely a good side hustle for those who don't know. And how much did I spend on this stuff right here? I spent $65 for this stuff. Now we gotta go see if it fits my wet and dry vac. Alright? So let's go see what's up. Alright y'all, so there go my dry wet vac. You see how big this nozzle is, right? You can see my hand around it. So we're gonna see if these attachments fit on that. You know what I'm saying? So we're gonna start with the shampooer thing. Shampooer. Oop, don't fall. Anyway. That ain't working on that. Oh, okay, no. Okay, so that's just one that don't fit. What about this pole? Oh, that going like that. I bet you. Oh. What's that? And hold on. Nah, don't go like that. I bet you this goes like that. Bam. Now you got you a shampooer. Extractor. I mean, you know what I'm saying? Alright. That works with me. The attachments. It was looking little. Let's see what this does. It's like a rubber glove. Then you just fit different attachments on. Oh yeah. So reason why I bought these because I don't have nothing but this. I ain't got no this. I ain't got no skinny to get in the cracks of the shit. I ain't got no brush, nothing. So I bought these attachments. And yes, they work. Look it. They work. Bam. Okay. Now, this hose. How is this gonna fit? This gonna fit any of that. Definitely fitting in there. Will it go to this? Them universal? Oh man, don't tell me it's universal. I gotta figure this out. These attachments, I don't know. I don't even know what this is. Stick that in there. There goes the adapter. You see that little? That's to really get up in them cracks and crevices. Then you take this. Boom. That's to suck up the dust. This ain't for no big shit. This is for small shit. Well, guess what? I'm satisfied with what I got. I'm satisfied. Let me know what y'all think. Did I get the right stuff? Just now getting started. Buddy. Uh-oh. You know what I just realized, y'all? I didn't show y'all my brushes. Let me let y'all check it quick. Check out my brush set. Goes to my drills. Brush set, drill. This is a 23 piece if I'm not mistaken. So that's the ratchet that goes in the drill. And they got the little back pieces that go into the drill. Back pieces. scrub brushes. This is to get it all into the little cracks and crevices and all that. Hard brush, this is for tires and stuff like that. You know what I'm saying? Not even your rims, but just your tires. Or you could use this in your bathroom, on your towel and all that type of stuff. That's what them is good for too. Then we got another one, good for your rims. You see the way it's kind of shaped like that? Well, that one could be, or this one could be. This one probably is better because the bristles aren't as thick as this one. So this probably can be good for you cleaning your rims on your car. Then you got, bam, these are for like your seats. You can do your seats with this, upholstery. You can do your headliner with this. This is softer. So you hit the headliner with the stains. And this is more for like your seats and your carpet. You know, you can use this for your carpet too. And then we got Velcro. So you know what this is? That is these in here, I would say. So these are real soft. So these are like polishing your car. So Velcro goes on here like that. And, you know what I'm saying? Okay. Definitely what is this? Some type of, feel like fur. That's definitely some polishing. So we got that, got another one, foam. Then we got these little scratch pads. I don't know exactly what these is for. They're like Brillo, but those are Velcro too. We have another soft. We got 3 of them. And then we got Brillo. Feel like the Brillo. And I guess this is another type of Brillo. And then we got another type. Do y'all know the difference? If somebody know the difference, because as you can see, these are thinner, these are thicker, these are thicker. So y'all let me know what these is for, so I can know what I'm using them for. That's what we got in the box. And I can't wait to put these to use. Who ready to get their car clean? Tell me. If you need your shit detailed, holla at your boy. Alright? I'm gonna get with y'all when I get my first customer. Alright? I'm gone. Peace.
In these streets to prove shit, make these hoes remember. My city call me Face, and see I call my city Denver. They call me Face, and I know you heard about me. And if you niggas doubt me, then I suggest you out me. Cause I got a mouthpiece, and it's really mouthy. And if I catch you running